Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of these AirPods. As you can see, these AirPods are from JBL. The branding of JBL is on the top, and this is the actual picture of the AirPods. On the front they have written pure bass, zero cables, because they are wireless, or the Bluetooth is also written here. They have written also that it comes with the mic and 17 hours of battery life. These are some other features. As you can see, these have only two buttons, and these are multifunctional buttons. At the back side, this is the actual MRP, but you can purchase them from Flipkart or Amazon for 4,000 rupees. Let me unbox them. Okay, now I have unboxed the product. As you can see, you will get a micro USB cable for charging, two set of earbuds, one book of warranty information, quick start guide, and another manual. And this is the main product. Now let's talk about the earbuds. This is the case, and these are the charging points. They are on the both sides. And the points are magnetic, but the battery is 0. I think I have to charge them first, and then I'll do the audio test. Okay, now that was the quick unboxing of this JBL earbuds and sound test. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And thanks for watching.